Hello friends, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. Today I have taken a Maths Olympiad question, International Maths Olympiad question based on number theory. Question is solved 1 plus 2 power x plus 2 power 2x plus 1 equals to y square. So rewriting this equation, I'll write 1 plus 2 power x plus 2 power 2x plus 1 equals to y square. Now let us analyze the left hand side. LHS equals to can be written as 1 plus 2 to the power x plus 2 in multiplies 2 to the power x, which is not in a perfect square form. Not in a perfect square form. Because we know that perfect square form are always a square plus b square plus twice ab. Here it is clear that one is one square it can be written as one square, but these two are in different form. So is the general form. So LHS is not a perfect square. So what to do? We will check with smaller values of x to find when y will be a square. So let's try small values of x to check the solution of y when it will be a perfect square. So I'll start from 0, x equals to 0, then I'll get 1 plus 2 power 0 plus 2 multiplies 2 power 0, that is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 2, that equals to 4. So 4 is a perfect square. So y square equals to 4. When x is equal to 0, y square is equal to 4. This gives us y is equal to plus 2 or y is equal to negative 2. So we got the solutions. One is your 0, 2 and 0 minus 2 when x is equal to 0. Now next is case 2. I am taking x equal to 1. For x is equal to 1, I'll get 1 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 into 2 power 1. That will be 1 plus 2. Or this is 2x. Sorry, 2x, so it should be 2. So plus 8 equals to your 11. 11 is not a perfect square. So x is equal to 1 is not a solution. Let's see what is x. For x equal to 2, x equal to 2, it will be 1 plus 2 square plus 2 multiplies 2 into 2 plus 1. That will be 1 plus 4 plus 32. It will be 37. Again is not a square. So x is equal to 2 is not a solution. Then let's go for x equals to 3. For x is equal to 3, I'll get 1 plus 2 cube plus 2, 2 into 3 plus 1. That will be 1 plus 8. plus this will be 2 to the power 7, 128. 1 plus 8 plus 128. This is 137. Is not a perfect square. And x is equal to 3 is not a solution. Similarly, I'll go for negative 1. For negative 1, if I put x equals to x1 plus 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power 2x plus 1, this will be 2, which is not a perfect square. So just after 3, I went back to negative. X minus, for x is equal to minus 2, LHS will not be a square. And for x is equal to negative 3, LHS is again not a square. Now, up to how many values will go? We have go 1 to 3, negative 1, negative 2 to 3. So no need of going more because there is a logic. What? Left hand side of the equation is your 1 plus 2 power x plus 2 power 2x plus 1 is a exponential function. Which grows very fast, which grows faster than your any square for large value of x. So no need of going beyond 3 or negative 3. Test with 7 values. So we got only one value of x for which it is a perfect square. So x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 0 and y is equal to plus minus 2. So this is the solution. Solutions are y is 2, 0, negative 0, positive 2. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my channel. And please keep on watching, keep on liking, keep on subscribing. Thank you.